Hello, what's up mga ka-math learner? Isang magandang araw sa inyo. Tapos na tayo sa ating discussion about sa simplifying of fractions. Tapos na din tayo sa pag-add, pag-subtract at pag-multiply ng mga fractions. So ngayon ay dadako na tayo sa huling operation about fractions. At that is about division of fractions. Now, dito sa aking discussion, sa ating session ngayon, ay ituturo ko sa inyo ang KFC. Ito ay isang method para sa pagsusolve ng division of fractions. Ang tanong, ano ba itong KFC? Ito ba'y pagkain? O ano itong klaseng technique na ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon? So bago natin simulan ang ating discussion, do not forget to click that subscribe button at notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga topics. Hello, what's up mga ka-math learner? Isang magandang araw sa inyo. Ako pa rin ang inyong abot kamay na math teacher, si Sir Ash. At welcome dito sa ML with Sir Ash. For today's lesson ay i-discuss ko paano ba mag-divide ng mga fractions. So ang tanong, ano bang pagkakaiba nito sa pag-multiply ng mga fractions? So actually, itong division of fractions ay parang kabaliktaran lang ng ating multiplication of fractions. However, I will teach you one method para at least hindi kayo lumayo or hindi kayo magkaroon ng confusion sa pag-divide ng mga fractions. So, ano ito? Okay, simulan na natin ang ating unang example. Okay mga ka-math learner, we have our example number 1. Tulad ng sabi ko, ang technique na ituturo ko ngayon ay yung KFC. Ano ba itong KFC? So we have here 12 over 24 divided by 1/2. Now, itong KFC, ito yung mga process na ituturo ko. K stands for keep, F stands for flip, at C stands for change. So step 1, keep the first fraction. So we have here our first fraction as 12 over 24. Okay. Next step, flip. So ano ba itong i-flip? Flip the next fraction. So when we say flip, pabalik na rin natin. So it will become 2 over 1. Now this kind of method is what we call reciprocal or reciprocity. Ito yung kinukuha natin ang kabaliktaran ng isang fraction. Okay, so our 1/2 magiging 2 over 1. Then our third method is what we call change. What is to change? Change the sign into multiplication. So itong divide ngayon, magiging multiply. And then, we will follow our technique in multiplying fractions. So as we all know, mas madali itong isusolve kapag i-apply natin ang cancellation. So, as we can see here, pwede natin i-cancel si 24 at si 2. And we will have 1. Ito namang 24 magiging 12. However, meron tayo dito, 12 at saka 12 magkapareho din. So this will become 12 and 12. So it will become 1 and also this will also become 1. So we only have 1 times 1, that is 1. 1 times 1, that is 1. And our final answer is a whole number 1. Ganun lang kadali mga ka-math learner. Okay, para mas makuha nyo pa ng gusto, let's consider another example. Okay, example number 2 mga ka-math learner. We have 5 over 6 divided by 1 over 12. Now, with the use of KFC, keep the first fraction. We have 5 over 6. Then for our next step, F stands for flip the second fraction. So we will flip 1 over 12 and this will become 12 over 1. And for the last method, which is C, change the sign into multiplication. So divide will become multiply. Then we use the cancellation. Titingnan natin to. As we can see, 6 and 12 pwede ma-cancel out. So 6 and 12, they are divisible by 6. So this will become 1 and this will become 2. Meron pa ba? Wala na. So we apply our multiplication rules. So 5 times 2, that is 10. 1 times 1, that is 1. And our final answer is a whole number 10. Ganon lang kadali mga ka-math learner. Now, for our final example, what if we have a problem that is a mixed number divided by a fraction. So mga ka-math learner, I have here the final example, which is a mixed number divided by a fraction. So paano ba natin i-divide ang mga example or ang isang klaseng problem na katulad nito? Now, katulad ng multiplication, kailangan muna natin gawing fractions ang mga mixed number para pwede natin i-apply ang ating KFC. Katulad lamang nung sa multiplication natin na rules, bago mo ma-apply ang cancellation, you need to convert first the mixed number into an improper fraction. Then, kapag nakuha mo na ang mga fractions, saka mo pa i-apply yung technique. So ngayon, ganun din ang gagawin natin. I-change muna natin ang mga mixed number into improper fractions, then we will apply our technique na KFC. So we have here 2 times 8, syempre 2 and 7, 8. Gagawin muna natin itong improper fraction. So 2 times 8, that is 16. 16 plus 7, that is 23. Syempre, ikakopy lang natin ang 8. So we have our improper fraction. Then, since our divisor, kasi ito yung dividend, ito yung divisor, since our divisor is already in the fraction, ikakopy na lang natin ito. Then, we can now apply our KFC. Keep the first fraction. Sorry. Then, flip the second fraction. And then change divide into multiplication. Alright. Then, we can apply the cancellation. So, ano ba pwede makancel dito? So, ito yun. Pwede natin makancel ang 16 at 8. This will become 1 and this will become 2. Ito, pwede ba natin? Okay, hindi na pwede. So, we have now 23 times 2. That is 46. And then 1 times 21, that is still 21. Since our answer here is a mixed number, so ang gagawin natin is to change this into an improper fraction. So ilang pang 21 meron sa 46 at meron tayong dalawang 21 because that is 42. So kung 42, meron pa siyang sobra na 4. Okay, so that is 4 over 21. And that is your final answer. Ganun lang kadali ang lesson about division of fractions gamit ang KFC. So hopefully mga ka-math learner, nakuha niyo ang napaka-simple at very easy na technique. Kayang-kaya niyo itong ma-master within seconds. So, para tingnan natin kung kaya niyo nga talaga. Ito ang try this para kayo naman ang sumagot dyan sa mga papel ninyo. Ito yon. Okay mga ka-math learner, hopefully nag-enjoy kayo sa ating discussion for today's lesson. Ito pa rin ang abot kamay na math teacher ninyo, si Sir Ash. At palagi niyong tatandaan na masarap matuto ng mathematics kapag marami tayong nagsasama-sama. Maraming salamat sa mga nagsusupport sa ating channel. And teachers, students, hopefully i-share nyo din itong mga discussions natin para mas marami pa tayong ma-reach out ng mga students and even people who wants to learn kahit nasa bahay lang sila. Thank you so much. Lagi kayong mag-iingat and God bless you.